Hello friends, in this video we will create the folder structure for our application. So the first folder that we are going to create is components. So inside the source folder, I'll create a new folder with the name components, hit enter, and then again right click on the source folder, create new folder, and I'll name it as context. Then we also need helper folder. So here I'll write helpers, okay. Then again, here I'll write lib, then a new folder with the name of services. So we will create all the Firebase function in this services folder. Then we need pages. So all our pages will be inside this folder. Then we need a folder called hooks. So all the custom hooks will be inside this hooks folder. So these are all the folders which are required for this application. And we will also use Tailwind for styling the application. So that we will see in the coming up lectures. But in the next video, we'll be setting up the Firebase. So for that, we will be requiring a seed file. So I'll provide you with the seed file in the next video. So right now, this is the only thing which we need to create for this lecture. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.